Fine Food Show has expanded to 9 competitions, as varied as pasta, olive oil, branded beef and lamb, deli meats and regional food. And this year we received over 2,000 entries from over 400 exhibitors.
Sydney Royal shows some of the best produce, making it a world standard. We have a panel of judges that are from the industry, from different associations. Judging around Australia, Sydney Royal sets a benchmark. There's nothing prouder than to walk into a supermarket and see a gold, silver or bronze on there. And it's a badge of honour to consumers to say this product has stood up against the best in the country and this product is worth buying. So there is definitely a commercial benefit.
For an exhibitor, it is quite a thrill to be able to say you've won something at Fine Food, and of course on a purely commercial basis it has commercial benefits because you can put the little stickers on your food to say I've got a gold, I've got a silver, I've got a bronze. And for the general consumers, sometimes they're not quite sure which one they want, and if they see this they know it's a reputable competition because there are lots of food competitions out and about these days, so it's quite nice to have something that people recognise straight away. When you get a gold, it just stands out. You often can't pinpoint it to one particular thing, but it is just everything comes together. And I think for an exhibitor, it is quite a thrill.
I love being a judge at the Royal Show here because you get to mix with all these peers, these fantastic palates from all over Australia, judging the various categories, but also you see such wonderful innovation and some exciting new products coming through. It's just great to see an amazing array of products from all over Australia that just exhibit some of the wonderful characters of our produce in our land.
I've been a chef forever, so since I was about 15, and chefing is all I've ever wanted to do, and I love it. I've moved from restaurants into catering, into working for large FMCGs, and then we decided that you can't get great pate out there unless it's handmade, and what better thing to do? We were signature dishes on our restaurant menu, so we decided let's go and make some great patés.
We've got winners from every state in the country, and so the Sydney Royal is the one where it really is the best of the best. And that really marks it out as something unusual. It's also probably the best way for any company who wants to compete to benchmark themselves and find out where they stand in their industry.
This is what we find helps us get our customers as well. We can tell them it's fantastic till we're blue in the face, but it's got a medal, and then they agree and they love it. So it helps them show their customers what a great product it actually is. To have a trained palate say that is better than anything else, that gives me goosebumps. I love that. Thank you very much. We're really proud, aren't we?
Totally right.